Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculating cross-price elasticity is actually super fast when you know the formula. Let's solve this specific problem together in just a few quick steps. First, we need to identify the percentage change in quantity demanded for good B and the percentage change in price for good A. These two values are our essential starting points. Now divide the 10% decrease by the 5% increase. Since the quantity dropped, we use a -10, which gives us a final elasticity value of exactly -2. Because our result is negative, these goods must be complements. That makes option B our final winner. You totally nailed this tricky economics concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps.